Welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how you can apply formatting to a cell in Excel sheet. There are a number of things you can do when formatting a cell. For example, here is you can see this text, the cell size is small, so the text has exceeded or it has gone to the next cell. So if you want to make this one bigger so that the whole text can fit in, you can resize the cell. You can also enlarge on the row level by enlarging here. Alignment. Another thing I want to show you is alignment. Text alignment. You can adjust alignment of the text by using left or center or right, clicking on this. You can also align top, bottom. This is top, this is middle and center, for example. How about color? You can also change the color. You can fill the cell color. Moving the cursor across, you can choose any color you would like. And then you can also change the text color when that suits, of course, the fill. Make sure that the contrast is well maintained. And then you can also enlarge the size of the text, for example 24, and you can apply bold, or you can underline if you want to, or italics. You can also change the format, the family type, for example, by moving your cursor across. You can choose, and the larger it gets, you can also enlarge the cell. You can also apply a border if you want to. External border, for example. Outside border. This has applied an outside border. If you found this tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.